Today, on November 10th, we honor Veterans Day. Veterans Day, which is officially recognized on November 11th, is the anniversary of the signing of the armistice by the Allies and the Germans in 1918 that officially ended World War I. The signing took place in the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month and was said to end the war of all wars. In 1938, the United States Congress passed a bill that stated each November 11th would be dedicated to world peace. However, since World War II, the Korean conflict, and the Vietnam War, veterans groups have expanded ceremonies on November 11th to include honoring those Americans who fought in all wars. Generally, the day is marked by ceremonies and speeches, and at 11 a.m., most Americans observe a moment of silence, remembering those who fought for peace. An official wreath-laying ceremony is held at the Tomb of Unknown Soldiers in Arlington National Cemetery, and veterans gather at the Vietnam Veterans Memorial in Washington, D.C. to place gifts and stand quiet attention at the names of their friends and relatives who fell in the war. Vietnam Veterans Memorial was dedicated 40 years ago on November 13, 1982. The Marine Corps began 247 years ago today, November 10, 1775. The brave men and women who serve and protect the United States come from all walks of life. They are parents, children, and grandparents. They are friends, neighbors, and co-workers, and an important part of their communities. Currently, there are approximately 1 million veterans in the state of Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania ranks behind only California, Florida, Texas, and New York as the states with the most veterans. On this day, we honor those who are willing to put their lives on hold for the good of their country. Their actions and sacrifices provide us with the meaning of this day.